Hello everyone, this is TechSant and welcome to today's video. Today's topic is about the difference between programming and coding. Although they might seem very similar, but there is certain differences between them. So let's start by some simple definitions of programming and coding. Coding is the act of translating instructions for a computer from a human language to machine language so that the computer understands. You definitely use programming languages like C, C++, Java, Python, and so on. So, this is an example of a code in C# where I am asking the name of the user and printing it out on the console. So yes, you write simple code on a text editor like VS Code, Sublime Text, and so on, and expect a valid output from the computer. On the other hand, programming refers as the process of creating a set of instructions that you'll hand it to the computer to perform a specific task. I will give you an example for you to understand. You come from work tired as hell and you want to watch your favorite Netflix series. First, you need to turn on the TV. What you'll do is, you'll press on the on button. Well, congratulations, what you did is programming. You gave instructions to the TV to perform what you wanted to do. Again, the TV has a variety of different buttons like increasing volume, turning on or off the TV, switching channels. So if you press on the switching channel button, you program the TV to change channels. Okay, another example. We all know about robots right now, right? Well, you bought a robot to help you with house chores. So first, you'll program it to do a task for you. So you'll press on some buttons on the robot and let's say the robot will do the dishes. And remember, programming is a vague term and it is used more than turning on a TV and stuff like that. Let us jump back to the robot example. Inside of the robot, there is code. And when I say code, that can be other than code written in programming languages. It can be electronic circuits, mechanics, and complex stuff as well as coding softwares that tells the robot how to act, so it is all about making the computer or the robot memorize how to act in different tasks. So first, to assign tasks on the robot, you need programming, like telling Siri or programming Siri to set up an alarm at 6 a.m. And coding is what's happening behind the scenes. So how Siri knows that it should set an alarm at 6 a.m. and when 6 a.m. comes, the alarm needs to ring. So there's definitely code that Siri memorizes in order to know when 6 a.m. comes, it should ring the alarm. So programming is not about writing code only, it is about thinking also. If you want to build an app for the user to use in its daily life, first a programmer needs to think about what this app will do, then design it. After that, the coder comes into play, where the coder will translate the programmer's ideas to machine language in order to the machine to act. So a little wrap up. Programming is about creating a set of instructions or tasks, and it requires thinking or analyzing as well as knowledge on programming languages. Coding is about translating human language to machine language with the help of programming languages, and of course requires knowledge about them. So there you have it, the difference between coding and programming. I hope that shed the light on the difference between those two terms. And that brings us to the end. Thank you so much for watching today's video. This is TechSant and I'll see you in the next one. Hey, before you go, do you want to learn Python? Well, check out this playlist for Python tutorial for beginners.